The lockdown measures were put in place to restrict unnecessary movement of people and to stop the spread of COVID-19 and reduce the positive cases in the province. Schools will continue to close, while business houses can operate from 7 a.m. and close at 4 p.m. The Provincial COVID-19 Taskforce Committee extended the lockdown because the public are not following lockdown measures and some businesses also failed to comply. The new measure added is that all betting and gambling facilities will close for the duration of the lockdown. The lockdown will end on the 8th of November, but is subjected for review if the public continues to disobey and not comply with the national measures or the new passing to wear masks, sanitize hands and practice social distancing.
And by doing that, we encourage all families to get back to their own villages and they'll have to sit down in their own places to make sure that they have to have some control over this.
As of September 17th up to yesterday, the Western Highlands Provincial Health Authority has recorded 2,012 COVID-19 positive cases and 57 COVID-19 deaths. A total of 128 hospital staff are COVID positive, putting a strain on the workforce. There are 48 patients currently admitted at the isolation wards, with the hospital recording at least one COVID-19 death every day. However, the hospital is seeing a slight reduction of positive cases, and the extension of the lockdown is understood to help reduce the number.
Impact on this partial shutdown having on our presentations, it's very hard to say really, because we still see a lot of PMVs coming in and we still see people in town and all of those things. We have seen a slight reduction in numbers over the weekend, but they do drop a little.
Meanwhile, unnecessary travels are restricted. People can still travel for business, to the hospital or shopping, but must follow the new passing. Huge gatherings such as sporting events, festivals and funerals are banned. Church services can be open, but must follow the COVID-19 protocols. The liquor and betel nut ban continues and curfew starts at 6 p.m. and ends at 6 a.m. Vastanata Yama, National EMTV News, Mount Hagen.